AI is revolutionizing how local businesses can get online, and web designers are still using outdated methods which are costing businesses thousands. But I've discovered how to use AI to create premium websites for local businesses in under 24 hours that you can charge premium rates for. In this video, I'll show you the exact process to find the client, build a website, and deliver such a great result that will have them coming back for more. Welcome back to the channel. For those that don't know me, I'm Adetifa. I started off in the music industry, traveling around the world and working with major artists before transitioning into real estate, where I hit my first 10K month. Now I run an AI agency helping businesses streamline their operations and generate more leads. And by the end of the video, you'll know how to actually build your own AI website, land clients, and ultimately make a ton of money. First, we need to find the right local business. On Google Maps, I've typed in roofing companies in USA. And what we're going to do is find businesses that do not have effective websites that we know we can improve. So as you guys can see, we've landed on a website that's a perfect example of something we can definitely improve. And what these guys have probably done is just throw the website together using a pre-made build, for example, Wix, etc. And when we scroll all the way to the bottom, of course, we have a form where if I was to enter the details, I'm not too sure it would actually go anywhere. And yeah, oh yeah, I was right. They built it through Wix. So guys, what we need to do is contact these people using 2 or 3 different methods. As you can see, we found their email. We also have their Instagram and of course their number. Now, straight after, we want to do the digital audit method where we're approaching the businesses with value first. How we do that is that, of course, we have 3 methods of contacting them. But before we contact them, we need to actually build a template for a website. Check out my school community where I share advanced strategies and provide direct feedback and support for your businesses. The link is in the description. Now, I've seen people use different methods. Some people have just a Canva template and they send that to them. Some other people actually build a website from scratch, but we are going to use AI to do so. There's a website that I have right here called Relume, and it's a place where you can literally build websites faster using AI. A lot of freelancers are already using this, and there's no reason as to why you shouldn't be using it yourself as well. What I've typed in here is, I'm a roofing company, create me an effective landing page. Here's my URL. And what will happen once I generate it is it will literally start to work its magic. Now on Relume, we can see that it's actually built out an entire site map. All the features, the FAQ section, etc. Outside of that, you also have 3 pages is built within that. So an about us section, services section, of course, a contact us section as well. Now, some of you may be wondering, okay, but I can't see a website. All you need to do is actually just click wireframe and you'll actually see the website is built out for the client. So if we give it a second, you can literally see it's building out the website right in front of us. Now, the great thing about Relume is that it gives you a wireframe, which is literally a blueprint in order for you to expand upon it. And when we zoom in, what we can actually see is that it's literally giving us a very good template as we're scrolling down. So all the things you would actually need in an effective landing page is literally being created for you within a matter of seconds. Of course, there aren't any pictures or anything like that. But as we saw on the prior website, we can literally just save the images, plug them into here, take the logo, plug it into here, and literally send them an example. Even though it's given us a great blueprint, it's given us, some of the copy and typed everything up in accordance to the way I actually found on the website, we need to make it look a bit more professional. So what we can do is literally go up here and export the format to somewhere like Figma, if you have Figma, or Webflow, which is my preferred tool. Now, if you guys love Relume, I'm literally going to leave the link down in the description. It's actually not too costly to have. So I definitely recommend try it out on the free plan, definitely. But if you're looking to take this a tiny bit more serious, then you go with the starter or the pro, where it only costs $58 per month. Now, after creating the website using AI, throwing the pictures in there and making it look as good as possible within a select period of time, what you can then do is take them through a loom where you're demoing exactly what you've done for them. And that loom should not be more than maybe 2 to 3 minutes when you're sending it over to your client. Some industries to definitely target are real estate, home services, and restaurants. Now, the key thing is, how do we actually do the cold outreach? Like I said, we have their Instagram, we have their number, and we also have their email. Now on Instagram, what you want to do is to type in a simple message, getting them to respond. So you move from the request bit into their main inbox. Now, when you send them a message on Instagram and also via email, it should go along the lines of this. I built a website for you for free so you can generate and close more leads. Here's a video demo. The same thing applies to cold calls. You call them and say, hi, I've literally built you a website already, completely for free. Do you want it? And after your client has watched the video and seen the amount of value you're able to bring to the table by actually already creating the website, demoing it for them, taking them through what is important in comparison to their old website, trust me, you are going above and beyond more than what an average person will do. And whether you're getting the yes from email, from Instagram, or from the phone call, the aim is to make sure that on that consultation call, you take them further through the website, understand their pains, and eventually close them. Now, after closing them, you can design the website yourself in somewhere like Framer or Webflow. These are platforms that professionals are using all around the world to create amazing websites. Or if you're not the best at creating websites, you can actually outsource that work to someone on Fiverr. All you need to do is type in website development on Webflow. And straight after, you have freelancers willing to assist you for less than what you are actually going to charge your client. For example, if you're charging your client $1,000 for the website and pay this guy $120 to complete that exact same website, you're keeping a lot of that profit. Now, the reason why this works so well is because you are the person that understands your client's needs, understands their frustration, and actually provides them a solution. In terms of delivering on that service, you can communicate in between the two people and as a result, deliver the best service for your client. Once you deliver an amazing product for your clients, they will either refer you on or you can upsell them to your other services. That's how you can take a website that you charge anywhere from $500 to $1,000 to complete and upsold them into monthly retainers for way more. Now, the key thing about this game is a volume game. So the more people you outreach to in terms of client, the more likely you're able to land one that you can deliver a great service for. Now, number two is about value. Every single person watching this video aim from getting clients on a one-time basis into retainers. That's how you're able to build a significant amount of income. And this is a great strategy to complete that. What makes my approach different is that I've combined my creative background with business strategy, giving you practical systems that work in the real world. So I hope you guys found this video valuable. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to watch the next one.